Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Level 3 diagnostic on the port plasma relays. I think one of the generators is fluctuating.
Fine, let's do that.
That's it. Replay from time index 924. Magnify the section and enhance. Ha! Their shields are operating on a modulation of 257.4.
Adjust our torpedo frequency to match.
257.4.
They have found a way to penetrate our shields.
Lock phasers and return fire. Deanna, take the helm. Get us out of orbit. Hull breach on decks 31 to 35. The warp. What do we know about that old Klingon ship? Any weaknesses?
It is a Class D-12 bird of prey. They were retired from service because of defective plasma coils.
Plasma coils. Is there any way we can use that to our advantage?
I do not see how. The plasma coil is part of their cloaking device.
Let's get a stabilizer on that conduit. Reinforce that starboard interlock. We need to reroute main power through the secondary cover.
Hit it. Would a defective plasma coil be susceptible to some sort of ionic pulse?
Perhaps. Yes. Yes. If we sent a low-level ionic pulse, it might reset the coil and trigger the cloaking device. Excellent idea, sir.
As their cloak begins to engage, their shields will drop.
They'll have 2 seconds of vulnerability, Mr. Data. Lock on the plasma coil. No problem.
Our shields are holding.
Fire at will.
Mr. Warp, prepare a spread of photon torpedoes. We have to hit them the instant they begin to cloak.
I see.
We get one shot at this. Target their primary reactor.
I have accessed their core frequency. Initiating ionic pulse.
Make it quick.
Target their bridge!
Full disruptors.
We are cloaking! What? Our shields are down!
Fire.
Yes! Must have been that last torpedo. Abort the bridge. I've got a problem down here. The magnetic interlocks have been ruptured. Coolant leak! We have a coolant leak, everybody! Let's go! Let's get out of here! Everybody out! Let's move! Let's move! Here we go! Quick! Briggs, we have a new problem. We're 5 minutes from a warp core breach. There's nothing I can do.
Deanna, evacuate everyone to the saucer section. Mr. Data, prepare to separate the ship.
Starship separation begin in 5 minutes.
We're going straight down.
Everyone move! Take corridor A!
Starship separation begin in 4 minutes 45 seconds. All right, let's move them out. Let's go. Take them out, quick. Starship separation. 4 minutes 30 seconds.
Here we go, folks. This way.
Starship separation in 4 minutes 15 seconds.
Al!
Yes?
There's no one here with these kids. Let's get them to the Jefferson. We'll find their parents later.
Starship separation begin in 4 minutes.
Core breach is accelerating, Jordy. We've got to get out of here.
That's it, Bridge. We're all out.
1 minute to warp core breach. Begin separation sequence. Full impulse power once we're clear.
Warp core is going critical.
Separation complete.
Engaging impulse engines.
Core breach in progress.
Primary stabilizers offline. Engaging secondary systems.
Report!
Ham controls are offline!
Here we go. Right around this corner. Just keep moving.